Hi guys, dito po yung sakayan or daan papunta ng Kawasan Falls. Pababa dyan. Ang puwet. Aray ko. Saan tayo? Tara! Salagdong Beach Resort. Alright guys, we are here in Salagdong Beach Resort and I'll show you the place guys, how beautiful it is. I'm afraid. Okay. This is the highest one. Hello. I'm scared. I cannot go there. Hold on. There you go. That's too deep. You cannot jump if it is low tide. Too dangerous. Yeah. So from this area you can see the view of the resort, and also on the other side of Siquijor. Yes, I have a problem. First of all, we were here this morning, and unfortunately we didn't expect that there will be no more schedule for boat. They cancel all the trip going to Dumaguete today. So what happened now? I'm here in terminal stranded, guys. Ayan, stranded. So I don't know until when. According to them, they told me I'll be stranded until on the 24th. I don't have any dress. So I only use this. So according to them, the typhoon will be arrived tomorrow morning, guys. So I don't know what's going on. I hope there's a boat going to Dumaguete tomorrow morning early. But for now, guys, like I said, I'm here in terminal of Siquijor, stranded. It's my first time to be stranded here in Siquijor, guys. And I didn't bring anything. I didn't bring any dress. I have only one shirt in my bag. So supposed to be our plan is only one day back and forth. But unfortunately we're stuck. I don't know until when.
Day 2.
I can say good morning, guys. I'm still here on port area in Siquijor, stranded. For the meantime, it's morning time, so I'm gonna show you what's going on here. So binigyan po kami ng tinapay at saka kape, 3-in-1, pero bawal sa akin. So I have to go out to buy something. Ayan po, umuulan sa labas kung nakikita ninyo. Alon. Ayan. So that's only an updated, guys.
A few moments later.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'd like to say good afternoon to all you guys who are watching right now here on my channel, guys. And unfortunately, guys, we are still here in Siquijor. This is our second day, and the reason why we are stuck here in Siquijor is because of typhoon. And I think the typhoon is really coming now. I'm going to show you guys. Just wait a minute. It's on every side. As you can see guys, the typhoon is already coming now. See the wind blowing so fast. So we're stuck here inside the terminal port area. Kanina ka pa kaya gusto tawagan kasi ang lakas-lakas. Uy, doon na lang. Doon na lang. You're wet. Ate 30. So the wind blows. So I think this is a real typhoon guys, not earlier. Time check guys, it's almost 1 in the afternoon. You can see here, sumisipol na po ang hangin, malakas na po siya. Ito lang po yung update for today. So malakas na po yung hangin dito sa Siquijor ngayon. Still signal number 1. And nag-overflow na po yung water from the sea. Update guys, ayan na po, susimula na pong umulan. Malakas ang alon sa labas. And then dito po sa harap din. So guys, as you can see guys, nag-overflow na yung water sa pier. And then malakas na po yung hangin, sumisipol. Okay guys, pinapa-evacuate kami dito sa port area dahil magkakaroon na ng storm surge. So we're just only waiting for the bus. So ngayon guys, at least meron tayong documented this, yes. So meron tayong documented guys. We're just waiting for the bus so before we can leave. As you can see guys, tumataas na yung alon. Magkakaroon na ng storm surge. Overflow nung ano no? Tubig.
Malaki ano? Tingnan mo sa
harapan mo nga eh.
Kita mo yung basa.
So as you can see guys, tumataas yung tubig, nagkakaroon ng high tide. So pinapa-evacuate kami dito sa, like I said, dito sa port area. Tatransfer na kami sa evacuation site to make sure lang para kung sakali magkaroon ng storm surge, eh safe kami lahat guys.
May tatanong ko sa
tatanong.
disaster. Makita ka ba ito?
So, kami sila, ano yung natulog na? Pero kailangan mo lagi.
Mo lagi?
Kung nanyay mo kuhan, tsunami ba, mo kuhan na yan. May pati, lang safety pa. Ato lang dito man, check eh, mangita lang mo kuhan. Kaya kanihan eh, kuya mo sa bro. Wala sa yung na yung mga chikin na nalagay natin isuda mo kay kuha po may kuhan dito apo mo man ito mga evacuation center pa.
So hindi pala sigurado.
to Olive, guys. We are still here in Siquijor. As you can see, guys, I'm here in the church of Siquijor. Our evacuation site is over there on the top, second floor over there. And then the pier is only at my back over there. So for now, guys, it's morning time. According to the Coast Guard, they give us a clear, so we can go home. We can buy ticket. But for now, before we go home, we have to visit the church so that we can, pray. By the way, I have a friend here, and he's from Russia, guys. Would like to ask him about his journey here in the Philippines. So, you state your name?
Hi, my name is Vitaly. I'm from Moscow, Russia.
Oh, from Moscow, Russia. And you've been here for how many days now?
Already 20 days. My first visit of Philippines was 3 years ago. It was on 14. I went to Busuan and Palawan.
Okay.
Maybe the most beautiful places, and after this I like Philippines a lot. I decided that I must return, and this year I'm here again.
Okay, nice. So after Siquijor, where are you going to go now?
This travel is one travel by land around biggest island,
Thailand?
Luzon islands, Luzon, Samar, Leyte, Mindanao, Negros, Panay, Mindoro. And yes, my next destination, Bacolod, Boracay, Puerto Galera, Caloocan.
Boracay, yeah. That's a very nice place. So after Philippines, where are you going? You're going back home?
Kota Kinabalu.
Malaysia first and Kota Kinabalu.
Yeah.
Oh, that was very nice. And do you want to say something for all of your friends watching my YouTube channel? Or Filipino friends here?
I'm very happy to be in Philippines. It's a very beautiful country. It's very kind people. I like Philippines. Thank you very much.
Thank you
for hospitality.
Yeah, according to her.
I've been to London to visit the Queen.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. That's my guest for today. Thanks for watching on my vlog, guys. See you. Okay, there's a long way, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I have my own ticket, so I can go inside. Magkano po? Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, wala siyang barya? Alright guys, it's a sunny day today, and the typhoon is done yesterday. Oh, I mean this morning. It's already gone, so we're still waiting for a boat going to Dumaguete. So I'm going inside now. Tara! Auna na siya, no? Kano?
Hindi ko sumama na lang sa mga lalaki.
Andun na ba yung mga tatlo?
Dito kasi sila nakatambay. sayang.
White sand. White sand. Pwede ka ba maligo? Ligo na. Here in port area of Siquijor, going in, check-in. Pagkatapos ng Calvario yesterday. So it's sunny day. So yung balkong galing ng Siquijor at Cebu, parating na.
Yan ang sasakyan natin.
Nope. Yun ang balkong. Ito naman konti. Actually hindi naman konti, talagang maalon. Talagang maalon. May segway pa. It's better safe than never. So okay na to. Okay. Apat na pila. So let's go upstairs. Meron dyan sa gilid oh.
Oo nga, yun lang.
Sige, dito tayo. Doon tayo sa kapitan eh. Baka dito yung init mamaya ha, pagtakbo ha. All of you are watching right now here on my channel. Actually, now is the time for us to go back home to Dumaguete. We're already here in the boat. So you can say hi.
Hello.
So, goodbye Siquijor. You can see the sun shining. The beach is very nice. But unfortunately, there's still the waves going on. But we are trying our best to, at least what is important, we can go home right now. Because tomorrow is Christmas, so we don't have time. And for now, guys, all I can say is that is a very big experience. And it's our first time to experience become a refugee or an evacuee due to storm. And now we're so lucky because early in the morning there's already sun, and they allow us to have a trip now going to Dumaguete, guys. To all of you guys who are watching my vlog, thank you so much for watching. See you next time, guys. Goodbye.